Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we are completely demystifying the exact step-by-step process for building a fully automated, faceless YouTube channel from scratch. And get this, we're doing it using only free AI tools. If you're a total beginner and you're feeling a bit overwhelmed by the technical side of content creation, well, you're in exactly the right place. We're going to completely remove the guesswork, the on-camera stress, and that dreaded writer's block. We're turning your raw ideas into a reliable, automated engine.
To put this into perspective, imagine hitting a massive 200,000 views in just 4 weeks. That wasn't done by some flashy influencer or a massively expensive production studio. Nope. It was a completely faceless channel posting a video about the psychiatrist Carl Jung using just basic images and an AI voice, literally zero live footage. It completely proves that you really don't need a camera to capture a massive audience. You just need the right system.
So here's our roadmap for today. First, the faceless opportunity. Second, finding a profitable niche. Third, building your blueprint. Fourth, generating your first video. And finally, scaling your calendar. Let's jump right in.
Section 1. The Faceless Opportunity. Our entire strategy today actually revolves around an incredible tool called NotebookLM. Why? Because this tool is completely free and it's built by Google, the exact same company that owns YouTube. That makes it your absolute magic key. You're basically feeding information to an AI that becomes an absolute expert, leveraging Google's highly advanced architecture to succeed on Google's own video platform. The synergy here for generating passive content is just incredible.
Moving right along to Section 2, Finding a Profitable Niche. Okay, understanding CPM, or cost per mil, is absolutely crucial right out of the gate. This metric dictates exactly how much advertisers are willing to pay for 1,000 views on your videos. So, by deliberately targeting a high-paying niche, you're ensuring your views translate into maximum revenue. And that's not just from Google AdSense, but from future brand deals and digital products down the line. We want all of your effort to actually pay off, right?
To find these incredibly lucrative topics, we don't guess. We let the data do the talking. You simply ask NotebookLM to search the web for the highest CPM YouTube niches. It'll scan authority sites, Reddit discussions, and YouTube's own data, basically doing all the heavy lifting for you. Then you just ask it to rank the top 10 most profitable, highly searched niches that only require basic images rather than complex video footage.
Now, among standard ideas like personal finance, NotebookLM returned a surprisingly clever insight: Jungian psychology. This perfectly illustrates our case study for today's explainer. We're taking a high-level intellectual topic, like Carl Jung's theories on the human mind, and packaging it specifically for a high-value audience of business owners and entrepreneurs. It's unique, it's highly engaging, and honestly, it perfectly fits the low-effort, highly profitable faceless model.
Which brings us to Section 3. Building your blueprint.
Next up, you're going to use an incredible, totally free prompt builder called Digital Maker AI. You just plug in your specific parameters. You outline your niche, your target audience of business owners, your monetization plan, and your goal to upload daily. Based on those super basic answers, Digital Maker AI generates a highly detailed, custom master prompt designed specifically for your channel's unique architecture.
Then you take that exact master prompt and paste it right back into NotebookLM. This triggers a really cool interactive setup sequence. For our parameters, we chose a motivational style and a length of 10 to 15 minutes. Nailing that longer duration is absolutely vital if you want to optimize a brand new channel's watch time. Once you answer these prompts, the AI literally hands you a complete, comprehensive business plan, and get this, it even writes your very first script.
All right, Section 4, Generating your first video.
So here's an incredibly powerful pro tip if you want a guaranteed winner. NotebookLM lets you reverse engineer success. You can grab the URL of a competitor's viral video, like that Carl Jung video with 200,000 views, and paste it in as a source. Extract the exact word-for-word script, and then just prompt the AI to write an alternative original version that hits the same key points but remains completely fresh for your own audience. It is a total game changer. With your shiny new optimized script in hand, head back over to Digital Maker AI's Video Maker. Paste your script in, or just type in your topic, like Carl Jung Business Owner Tips. Then make a few quick selections. Choose realistic, everyday visuals, set a standard pacing, and pick a clean-sounding AI voice to narrate the whole thing. Hit Generate, and the system immediately goes to work. Within just a few minutes, the AI spits out a clean, straightforward video, complete with high-quality imagery and a remarkably realistic voiceover teaching business owners about the human mind.
It is incredibly fast. And hey, if a specific image doesn't perfectly match the tone, you can easily edit and swap out that individual scene. You now have a totally ready-to-upload asset created in a fraction of the time it would normally take. No camera required.
And finally, Section 5, Scaling your calendar.
Now, having one video is great, but consistency is how you actually build an income. So bring your NotebookLM blueprint directly into Google's Gemini 3.5 Flash interface. Because Gemini is connected to live Google search data, it actively identifies topics with high search volume but low competition levels. It literally hands you a full month of highly targeted, low-competition video ideas, perfectly scheduled out on a silver platter.
The entire step-by-step engine is now yours. From using NotebookLM for data-driven niche selection to generating a full month of low-competition topics with Gemini, the barriers to entry have completely vanished for beginners. With all these powerful, totally free tools at your fingertips to build automated passive income, the only question left to ask is, what will your Faceless channel be about? And really, what is stopping you from starting today?